Om Sai Ram to all you Baba lovers out there. How's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are resonating with the readings. Do let me know how you feel the readings are, and I would love to hear the feedbacks from you. So, today, I feel the color that you need to wear is gold or white. I don't know why I got the gold and the white, but I feel it should be gold and white. So, you can wear either white, or if you love golden color, then you can wear golden color. Also, it's a Thursday, so feed some stray animals if you can, especially dogs. I feel one more thing today, if you stay somewhere near Baba's temple, then go there and come. Pick up his udi and mix it in water and have it with all your family members along with you. But if you don't have any Baba temple nearer, it's okay. I feel if you have the udi at home, then just keep it near his feet and then mix it in water and have it. Maybe there is some blockages, or maybe there is some protection that you need, that Baba is asking me to, or Baba is giving me that guidance to tell you this. So that's the reason I'm asking you all to do it. Overall, I hope things are going good at your end. At my end, things are improving, and I'm happy that they are improving. And I'm happy that Baba, in spite of me fighting and arguing with him, and just doing everything under this whole earth under him, he is bringing things for better. I can see changes, but yes, with faith, I guess he will bring more things better. So let's see what is in store today. He itself took out the two cards. Your home should be a place at rest with positive energy. Baba will help you in your career. So maybe some of you are worried for career. That's the reason this card has come, that Baba will help you in your career. If you're looking for a job, or if you feel your job is at stake, or if you feel because of this recession period something will happen, then Baba is there to help you, because Baba is giving the guidance here that I am there, you don't have to worry, and I will take care of you when it comes to your work. This doesn't have to be only for those who work under others. This can also be for those who do work from home, who are into business, who are into any small scale industry, big industries. Basically, Baba is saying that he is going to take care of you. At the same time, maybe certain things in your home you're not liking, and you feel that things are not good at home, things are not peaceful at home, or there's a lot of fights, and there's a lot of unwanted issues happening at home. But we are our own creators, and we are our own destroyers, is what I always say. So we are the ones who can seek, or who can find peace with whatever is there, and we are the ones who can even create chaos in the peace. So sit back and think where things are going wrong. Try to create peace within yourself and in your surroundings. With the blessings of Baba, things will change and you will feel very happy. So have a beautiful and a Baba blessed day. Om Sai Ram.